Welcome to Ryo Wallet Atom. In this video I shall show you how to download and use Ryo Wallet Atom. First of all, go to the official website, there you can download it for the Windows, Linux and Mac OS X. Click on the link, and the downloading will be start. After downloading the file, start installation and follow these steps. To create a new wallet, click on this option. Then first step is to provide the wallet name. For example, I am using Word Tutorial as a wallet name. You can change the language too, but I shall keep English as default. Then create a password and remember that it must be strong. Then click on Create Wallet. So now copy all of these credentials to make your security strong. So you have successfully created your wallet. To open it, click on the wallet and provide the password. Here you can keep all of your records and manage all of the transactions. Here you can send and receive Ryo too. You can save your address books here. Here will be the history of all of your transactions.